All right, what's going on, guys? I got Schmidty here on the mic today. He's one of my top traders, top students in chat. He told me his incredible story of his trading process, and he's only been in Velocity in the room here since we were on YouTube in October. So only a couple months now. I'm just going to give him the next 10, 15 minutes to talk to you guys. He's going to tell you about his trading process, how it's been here in the community at Velocity as a whole. And take it away, Schmidty.
All right. Thanks, Alex. Yeah, it's great to be on. It's been quite a ride, let me tell you. So I found you guys, I guess it was around October of 2019. So like you said, it's only been a few months. And, at that point in time, I definitely did not have as much knowledge as I do now. And I was watching you guys on YouTube. I kind of started watching Nick and his pennies room that he runs, and just watching all of you guys, just the knowledge that you have it's pretty incredible. And Nick runs his thing, and then I would kind of hop over to you and Jimmy when you guys were still on, and I just kind of listened in to learn a little bit more about the options trading that you guys do. And, I was just watching. I wasn't doing any, actual trading to start off because I didn't really have anything, any big money to play with. And just listening to you guys talk about, the options trades that you guys take, the strategy that you use, just more and more, it just made so much sense, what you guys did. So I kind of shifted over from, the penny stock world and tried to learn more and focus more on the options trading. So I started listening into you and Jimmy kind of exclusively a little more. And it just, like I said, it makes so much sense what you guys do.
Right.
So I opened up a broker account. So I opened up a broker account with TD. I had a Thinkorswim account already, so I just used that. And I only had I don't know, $400 or so in it. And I was kind of trading the pennies a little bit. I made a little bit of money here and there. When I was following Nick, I started to make more money, but it was still because the account wasn't so big, I didn't have a lot of buying power. So it wasn't huge profits, but they were good, good solid plays. And then I switched over to, the options room with you guys, and I started kind of dabbling in, the plays that you guys do. And within the first, I want to say 2-3 weeks, my account doubled twice. And, I was around $500, and I started, around, I think it was the end of January, beginning of February, I want to say.
Yep, Wednesday, January 29th. I have the screenshot up on the screen.
Yeah, yep.
And
so I was kind of listening in on you guys, up until that point, and then I kind of started, actually trading.
Right. Now, tell me what was going through your mind when you first heard either myself or Jimmy put out there, "Hey, Schmidty, how do you feel about making 500 to 1,000% returns weekly?" You probably didn't believe it at first.
No, I didn't. I really didn't. It's one of those things where you hear about it and you wonder if it's too good to be true. But the proof is in the pudding. You guys just watched you guys. I saw it happen right before my eyes. So you guys aren't lying when you say it, and it works.
I have some of the screenshots that you sent me from your past trades, and I just wanted to pull them up for the video here to show everyone. And some these trades that you've taken, that right here, 2,100% on the Tesla, February 28th calls or puts, whatever this is. It's not even big size that you're taking. So, the big transition from you to pennies, from pennies to options, and you show me that small account. Tell me how the difference is from trading on a small account, in your opinion, to trading on a small account with options using our strategy.
It's definitely less stressful because options and the strategy that you guys use is your risk is limited. You know how much you're putting on the line with every trade before you take it. So you know, even if everything goes to zero, so to speak, you know where you're going to be at. So as opposed to in the penny world, you're taking shares of an equity, and if the stock goes to zero, that loss is going to be substantially greater than what you get from a loss with an options contract. And the details of it is stuff that you can learn in the room and everything, but it's all very simple concepts. But yeah, I think that was the biggest part. That was a good part of the transition. It was a lot less stressful. It was easy to understand the concept, and it was just you're not as on edge all the time with it, because you know what's going on. You know how much skin you got in the game. No matter what happens.
Exactly. If you don't mind, maybe just taking a minute or two, just kind of explaining how the experience has been in the Velocity community as a whole. Not just myself, not just Jim. Everybody in the community, right, as a big family, all the members together on the streams and in the Discord too.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the community, the Velocity community. Everybody's been really great. I've talked with multiple different members in the Discord, both individually and in the chat. Everybody's very helpful. Not just you guys. Obviously you, Jimmy, and Nick, you guys are always available to talk pretty much whenever, we have a question. But there's a lot of knowledgeable people in the community that are more than willing to help out, answer questions. If you're curious about something they said, what their thought process behind it was, you can literally just message them and ask them, and they'll share their knowledge with you. Like, everybody's very open and just wants everyone to grow together and become more knowledgeable, with everything trading that we do. And that's what's so great about the community, is everyone's just so open like that and helps each other out. So it's a pretty amazing little space that I found and fell into with you guys. It's been a huge help, and I've learned, not just from you guys, but also from other people in the community.
That's great to hear, dude. Thank you so much, Schmidty, for that. And just right before I end the video, one final thing that I wanted to touch up on is that by showing these trades, these screenshots, you guys can see, for example, these TLTs, the sizing isn't big, and the whole point here is that I'm trying to appeal to traders that have small accounts. Schmidty can tell you himself, right? All of these trades that he took were just off of the one simple strategy that we trade every single day. So I want people that have small accounts, right? And take it from my word, I've traded penny stocks for years, right? I got over PDT. If you're trading these options, right, the way that we're doing them correctly, and you're not looking for those 20-30% daily gains that you guys are getting on these alerts, come over, sign up for a free trial. You don't need your credit card or anything. This isn't me coming out or Schmidty really coming out trying to motivate you guys. We're just trying to show you the facts that you can grow your small account. And I'll pull it back up too to show you that you can grow your small account. He did it in 2 months, right? $457 on the 29th of January, and then ending on the 27th of March, just at like 24 grand. That's incredible. You're not getting these returns anywhere else. And I know, yes, it's very skeptical at first, but this is why I wanted to get Schmidty on the mic. I want everyone else's voices to be heard, not just myself, not just Jim. So Schmidty, thank you so much, man, for coming on and just giving your thoughts here on Velocity and talking about your trading process.
Absolutely, man. It's been a pleasure, and this stuff's real. It works. I know it seems too good to be true at first, but you got to try it. It really works, and it's simple. It's straightforward. It'll make sense once you see what's going on. You just got to take that first leap of faith like I did, and it'll be worth it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Schmidty. We'll continue killing it.
Will do, man. Will do. I'll see you in chat.